Gulat ako eh.
Wala yun, boss J.
Ha?
Wala yun. Bakit mo man sige ito?
Again. Nawala ko na ng putet. Number 19. Supply. Number 09. Pass to number 0. Back to number 09. Pass to number. Nawala po that? Nawala ng team number 0. Pass to number 17. Pasok.
Rickster versus Bossing po tayo.
2-0.
Puyat Sports. Puyat Sports tayo ngayon. Puyat
Number
Sports.
13. Gatos, pass to number. Sila na lang sign up sa namin house rep. Foul number 29. First personal foul number 29. First team foul. Number 52, pass to number 0. Pass to number 09. Back to number 0. Pass to number 17 to number 0. Nawala ang baler na number 09. 10 to shoot. Number 09, pass to number 17 to his mind to number 0. Same ball, shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Good. Number 0. Number 0, pass the number 17. Number 17 ang bumanggang ba? Sabay, para may kalat si rep. Foul committed by
Mabigat
number
yun, Mandy.
30. First personal foul
Baka
number 30.
tumalasik si
Second team
Aris.
foul. Dalawang libre foul of slow para may jersey number 17. Biggest one. First row. Sublime.
Mamaliwanag lang. Libre na ngawit?
Hindi.
Ganyan ako na.
Last row.
Nagreklamo yung viewers ko kay, kay Harry eh. Ang likot daw eh.
3-0.
3-0.
Kasi libre na naman, hindi siya nagbabayad eh.
Puyat Sports tayo, Puyat Sports.
Ano kasi nasimula? Ano suot siya?
Number 30, Gatos.
Kinalingan ni Harry eh.
Number 30, nakagawa ng pagawa ng baller. Jumbo, bala ng kumalaan ng 18.
Grabe si Harry kanina eh.
Sinuot ni Harry, no? Sinichismis mo.
Number 0, Bono. Single.
Kailangan bomba.
Bading!
Ano ba yan? Oh, ano yung nakapunas dito? Ganda-ganda nito eh.
Haba ni Aris na yan.
Number 09. Nandito ang kanyang inspirasyon. Number 52, mga kasama Raya Samoy. Good for 2 with number 52. Down ang mula ng team. Number 0. Shout out kay Love ni SK. Out of bounds.
Coach, ito to ba kay Jeremy?
Ano eh?
Yung abot yung kamay niya.
Totoo nga yun. Tanong mo.
Ano ba yung love ni SK na yun?
Ano si Amy ah?
Ang maniwala eh. Edit yun.
Taas ang bayan.
Binaba yung ring. Edit yung katawan.
Number 30, pass to the shoot. And Sam Rosa Malayo, in and out, down to number 17. Number 17, ang mamadali na mabas ang ball, white ball.
Maambong pa. Ngani.
Patay kaya naman. Mambon pa.
Magandang gabi sa'yo, Calvin Digsmine. Habang humihipat ng march Sean. Sean mula sa number 17. Oh,
Yun lang.
my God, ang layo ng bet.
Eh. Shout sa inyo, shout out.
Kukunin mo yun.
Ayun na ulan.
Kukuha nun. Ay, mga bata. Kababay naman ng mga bata dito. Halatang ginawa kayo ng mabuti.
Ayan na ulan.
May pupulasan ng mga itik. Number 19, Fuentes. To number 30. Number 30, pass 2. Bossing.
Time out, bossing. Ayun si Kibot. Hindi pinaglaro. Naprotesta si Kibot. Yun lang, awit.
Mama, si parang ito ba? Pinaglaro.
Inotesta. Malungkot.
Loveless King.
Ano score?
Andun.
5-0. 5-0 Alstin.
Andun. Andun. Pila. Pila.
Oo nga, Pau. Puyat Sports ha, Puyat Sports ha.
Doon lang matal.
Number 0.
Masa
Comes to number 14 on the side of Malayo. Sabay, nagkagawa ng candy na ako kanina ko na ng itim sa blood rain. Now number 30. Number 30, Gladys. 15,
Shoutout sa inyong lahat.
Pass to number. Sabay, go to number 30. Wala kang pangar. Sayang naman. Number 17, pass to number 0.
Lagers ako ah.
Parang mga burok.
Number 0, pass number 52, Tobias.
Baliw.
Number 52, pass to number 52, then should. 5 to should, number 0, pass number 17 on the side, Sublime. Down to number 30, Godless. Pass to number 19, Fuentes, now on the side. Pasok. Pinagalaw na ang pasok. 5-2.
Medyo lumalakas ng ambon. Mukhang makaka-cancel pa to ah.
Number 0, Bondo. Pass to number 10, the should. Number 0, pass number 09, 5, the should. Sabay. Nakuha na mula ng punta. Number 13. Sabay. Go number 17, the Guzman. Pass to number 0. Bondo. 15, the should. Number 52, Tobias back to Bondo. 10, the should. The Guzman on the side. 5, second shot clock. Sublime. Follow-up shot by number 52. Good for 2.
Ayan na naman, malakas na ang ambon. Yun. Yeah, tuloy nyo lang hanggang tumigil. Ayan lang, umuulan na. Maanggi.
Bonus shot. Sabay, go to number 12.
Ayun, ganda ng stripe mo yan.
Sabay, go to number 12. Pass to number 19, Fuentes.
Pabiling. Ay, Paul.
Basket call and foul committed by number 14.
Sorry,
First personal foul. Second team foul.
Naglalag.
One shot by jersey number 19, Fuentes. Tira niya. Sabay, go to number 17, the Guzman.
Biglang naglalag.
Naglalag ba?
Mambon eh. Mambon eh. Makalipat nga pwesto mamaya.
Bata, bola. Number 0 to number 79, 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Sublime with number 12. Number 12 pass, Chamber. Number 19 went pass. Pass. Change 24, 8-7. Naman na ng isa. Ang kapunan ng Bossing. Number 52, Tobias. Kamag-anak. Uy! Sarap. Number 14 ang itimaw. Number 19, second person ng foul. Sarap.
Tulugan na pa. Sunod na tulugan na.
Sige. Magandang gabi sa'yo, Pedro Ramirez. Wala ba tayong scramble dyan? Salamat sa mga batang pinalaki ng maayos ng kanilang mga magulang. Oh? Bula po yung bunga. Number 30. The rest, Bulldogs by jersey number 13, Manapang. Bata, paano ka ba ginawa? Number 70, number 9, pasama.
Hapong-hapon eh.
Thank you po. Number 30, pass to number 29, pasama. Official score 13-9 in favor of Team Bossing.
39 na mga bossing.
15 to shoot, number 79 to number 52, pass to number 0, bond up, back to number 52, 10 to shoot. Number 0, back to number 52, Bumukong Samalaya. Press. Bonus. 13-12, 1-point lead. It's Bossing. Number 30 on the side, Passon. Listen. Number 0, Bondo. Number 0, 15, second shot clock. And it was foul out. Foul committed by number 2. Richter. First personal foul on number 29. Warning for penalty.
Ay, magsasabay ka dyan o kaya.
Back to bowling.
Jabol.
Nag-double, ito isang paa niya.
Hinga siya sa puwet kanina eh. No.
Wala na yan.
Sabay. Sarap. 29. Ay. 29 daw. 30. Out. 29 plus 1. Sige, gusto mo
Shout
na
out
yan.
Kuya Renz. Counter tayo pag uwi. Ay.
Daw,
Wala kay Michael din eh. Ano ba?
tension.
Malakas na.
Ayun! Palong-palong si Ren. Who's Farad? Foul commitment number 3.
Mukhang makakain.
Penalty situation. Penalty.
Sige. Lipat na, lipat. Hindi naman, dikit lang. 15-13. Ayan, nawala. Mahal pa. Yan sa labo nyo. Panalo? Talo? Yun lamang. Ano naman? Again? Umulit again?
Pagkita pangakakon, nung wala siya eh. Nung wala siya eh. Sila ko. Sila lang.
Oo, kasi lang. Ayan. Mukhang cancel gaming. Cancel
Shoutout sa'yo, Calvin de Guzman. Kapapatay lang ng sigarilyo mo. Sumisindi ka na naman.
Kaya mukhang tamang ulan eh, no?
Nakasave ka ang RGD ngayon.
Labang kami, nagmamadali eh. Tangin na ka.
Kaya mahaba pa naman yung laro eh.
Ayaw ko lang sa kanya. Eh, sa rebound. Hindi pa nakukuha yung bola eh. Si Manuel, gusto ko na sa akin yung bola. Sabi ko, putang sa mukha ko. Ako kumuha, gago ka. Nakakuha ko eh.
Oh, grabe talaga yung Ramirez. Kasi ano,
Live.
tamang live lang. Natamad na ako mag-edit eh. Live na lang. Bahala na kayo mag-edit.
Oo. Wagi dito.
Maanggi dito. Yun.
Asuhin mo. Chata. Asuhin mo. Asuhin mo. Paso.
Wala, mukhang cancel to. Cancel. Okay, 15. Yeah, relive na lang tayo pag natuloy. Babush. Yung laban.
Number 19, Fuentes. Pass to number 12, Sublime. Number 12, then the shoot. Pass to number 13, pass to number 29 on the side. By the shoot.
Lapit.
Fuentes bumakaw sa malayo. Sublime. Isang minuto.
Meron din dyan, ano?
Number 7, pass to number 19. Pass to number 7 to number 10 to shoot. Number 19, Sublime. The pick line. Got number 19, Fuentes. As to the time out of bounds. Same ball. Sublime. Thirty seconds. Good for two by number 13. 20 seconds. Wala ng shot clock. 15. Foul committed by number 13. Penalty. 11 seconds. First row. Sublime. Last row. Sublime pa rin. 10 segundo. 5 seconds to play. Foul committed by number 29. 2 segundo. First row para kay jersey number 19. Sublime. Last row para kay jersey number 19. 2 segundo. Buzzer na lang. Inapon pa. Muntik pa. 17-14 in favor of Team Bossing.
And the first quarter.
Tiyaga na yung Kuya Jet. Alive pa eh.
Nang magawa eh.
Number 28. And the shoot, number 17 on the side. Supply with number 29. Number 29, pass the number 0, 10 to shoot, pass the number 52, Tobias Mumukol sa the rest. Sublime.
Basa ang balls. Shoutout sa 9,000 viewers. Ay ko.
Number 9, Mendoza, pass to number 15 to shoot, number 9. Pass to number 29, 10 to shoot, back to number 9. Block. Number 12, Sublime, going to number 29, pass to number 17, de Guzman. Number 17, pass to number 0, nasa tandaan na ako ni number 4, pass to number 12. Number 12, nasa tandaan na number 52, Tobias. Pass to number 0, Bundok to number 19. Back to number 52. Basket count and foul committed by number 9. One bonus shot para kay jersey number 52. Pasok.
All 17.
Deadlock tayo, all 17. Fuentes, pass to number 9. Nasundan ang itim para na pa rin ni number 4. 10 to shoot. Fuentes, kumakasama na yun. Supply ko na number 17, Ligas Mine. Number 17, pass to number 0. Pasok. Change favor 19-17. 2-point lead by Team Rickster. Number 4. Pass to number 19 to number 12. Pinilit. Sige. Pass to number 29, 10 to shoot. Down to number 17, the Guzman. Number 17, ang Bumangagi ba? Ayun. Foul committed by number 12. First personal foul. Second team foul. Number 0, pass to number 19, may towel rep. Foul committed by number 4. First personal foul of number 4, third team foul. Pasok ang kanyang unang pagbubuslot. Last row, pasok pa rin. Number 9, pass to number 29. Back to number 9, Mendoza, 8 to shoot. Number 29, Supply. Going to number 19, Fuentes, pumakal sa malayo. Supply. Rebound by number 19, iangkap minalang bola. Pass to number 0, Bondo. Number 0, pass to number 52, Tobias. To number, good for 2. Number 29, timeout. Bossing.
Aliyop sana yun ah.
Wala ng bossing para sa ating first half. Isa pa sa kapanaan ng Richter.
Talon ah.
23-17 in favor of Team Richter.
Puyat Sports. Our sports channel. Una. Dito ko na.
Number 12. Supply. Go to number 19. Pass to number 29. Pass to number 0, Bondo. 15 to shoot. Number 0, pass to number 10 to shoot. That's in the back. Blocking foul. Offensive. By jersey number 17. First personal foul. First team foul.
Buti na lang na-post ko.
Magandang gabi sa'yo, Toto Mai. Number 4, pinilit ang lang bola na ako number 19. Nakuha na number 30, Gatos. Number 30, umangat. Tira niya. Paso. Alam mo. Bondo. Pass to number 29, 15 to shoot. Back to number 0, pass to number 52, to number 17, 8 to shoot. Number 29 on the side, using the board, no good. Now to number 30, Gatus. Number 30, Haras the jersey number 52, pass to number 29. Sublime, number 0, Bondok. Pass to number 52 to number 19 on the side. Pass. Number 30. Supply, go to number 0. Bondo. Number 0, pass to number 52, Tobias, 15 to shoot. Bondo, 10 to shoot, number 19. Nakalisod. Wait, towel sir. Sandali.
Technical.
All the way to number 4. Sige po, palitan na papalitan. Sinalo na tuloy na rep. Tinabunan niyo kasi isang referee. Sublime.
Ay, naglalag ako ah. Mabagal net ah.
Sabi talaga.
Magandang gabi po. Sa manunugak ng Tamos. Turong bagset. Number 30. Itaw Syrup. Foul committed by number 1. Sabrat. Ay, bawal ka daw. Aray mo. Warning for delay in the game. Ang kubunan ng bossing.
Shoutout mo yan. Shoutout kay Jello.
10 to shoot.
Sabi ni Jan Larry.
Number 29. Paso. Fifteen to shoot. Number 29 pass to number 7 pass to number.
Ano festa?
Number 30 Gatos.
Ha?
Wow, good for 2 by number 12. I'm out. Rickster. Wala nang timeout. Magkabilang kumanan para sa ating first half. 28-23. Lamang pa rin ang kumanan ng Rickster.
Ayaw ko nga Larry. Shy type ako eh. Ako'y inaantok na.
Number 79 pass number 7. Number 7 pass 2. Number 1 back to number 7, 10 to shoot. Foul committed by number 30. Penalty situation.
Penalty.
Second personal foul. Dalawang liver and Pablo Bislo. Para jersey number 7, first row. Paso. Ikaw pala yun. Ang kawangis ni Joshua Garcia. Ang high job ng Tamos. Sherwin Demla. Number 30, pass to number 29. Pumakal sa malayo. 3 puntos by jersey number 29. Number 7, Flores. 15 to shoot, pass number 09 to number 17, pass number 09, Marcelo Sablay. One number 4, pass to number 30, Gatos to number 29 on the side. Paso. 29-28. Kabiyak na lamang ang kalamangan ng kabanaan ng Rickster. 2 minutes and 50 para sa ating first half. Number 7, Flores. Pass to number 1, Hard Trap Natangas. To number 7, Flores. To number 17, 8 to shoot. Pass to number 9, Sublime. What happened? Same ball. Shot clock. 4 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. Holding foul by jersey number 4. Third personal foul on number 4. Penalty situation. First throw para kay jersey number 17. Pasok. Last throw. Pasok pa rin. Second shot clock to number 13 out of sign. Nasa the time, may tawag si rep. Foul committed by number 4. First personal foul. Third team foul. First row. Ay. Sublime. Number 7. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. That's in the time. Number 30, Gatos. Pass to number 4. Pasok. 31-30. 1 point lead with Team Rickster.
Dikit lang.
Number 09, Marcelo. Ay tawag si rep. Foul committed by number 13. Penalty. Second personal foul. Penalty situation. Gandang gabi sa'yo. Joe Art Santos. Habang humihipak ng Yossi. Sublime. On number 29. Pass to number 30. Got to listen. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. That's in the time. Down number 79. Pass to number 7. Pasok.
Sorry. Hindi nakita.
Number 29, Sublime. One number 30, Pasok. 34-32. 1 minute and 10 para sa ating first half.
Shoutout Joshua Pasqua.
Flores, to number 09, Marcelo. Nakalusot. Sabret. Sige po, palitan na yung papalitan niya. Bola. Sige po, palitan na yung papalitan. Sige, sige.
Di pa, antok gaming na to.
Bola, pasuyo po ng bola. 55 seconds. Number 3. Number 7, pass to number 79, Marcelo to number 1 on the side, Sublime. Now on the number 7, pass to number 1 to number 19. Nine seconds to shoot. Number 12, out. shoot. Sublime. Number 13. Paso. Deadlock. All 34. Wala nang shot clock. 20 seconds. 15 seconds to play. 10 seconds.
Man.
Yes, puntos by jersey number 7. 5 seconds. End of the first half. 37-34. Lamang ng tatlo ang kapanan ng Rickster.
Kilala mo nga yun, Rick. Diba?
Yan.
Nauliya ka kay Rep.
Sorry, Kibo.
Nagtatanggol ka ni Rep dito.
Sayang, Kibo.
Parehistro ka daw sa inaon.
Sayang si Kibot. Di nakapaglaro.
Nagtatanggol ka ni Rep kaso hindi talaga kaya eh. Sayang ang gayang.
Ang bilis malobat ng cellphone ko, Chugas.
Sayang ang safeguard. Uy, naka-biodermata yun. Parang kuling effect. Oh, yan. Good, good. Aray ko. Foul, gumira ba number 29? Third personal foul. First team foul. Tobias, your number. Uy, palang-pala. Foul committed by number 17. Offensive foul. Number 9, Mendoza. Pass to number 3, to number 29 on the side. Wala. That one number 3. Number 3, pass to number 29. Pass off. 37-36. 1 point lead by Team Rickster. Number 09, bumukal sa malaya. Bang, bang. Si Miss Angeline mamaya. Number 29. Pass number 29. Parehas 29.
Oo nga, no? Ba't dalawang 29?
Number 19, that's to the back. Number 29, 10 to shoot. Down to number 17, de Guzman.
Dalawa number 29.
Number 70, pass to number 19, Raymond. Basket count and foul committed by number 19. First personal foul.
Shoutout po ka
Second
sa
team
namin.
foul. Paso.
Shoutout sa 17,000 viewers. Antok Gaming na dito.
Number 9, Mendoza. Pass to number 3. Number 9, Supply. Down to number 17, Guzman. Number 17, pass to number 52, Tobias. Supply, going to number 42, number 0, Bundok. Number 19, Fuentes. Paso. Number 0, pass to number 19 on the side. Pass to number 52, 10 to shoot. Number 52, back to number 0, bumukal sa chest, Supply, going to number 19. Sublime Pyramid Servant foul committed by number 29. Warning for foul down jersey number 29.
Sino dyan?
May isa ka pa.
Dalawa 29.
Gamitin mo na. Number 29 out. Number 12 in.
Puyat Sports.
First show. Sublime. Ano yun? Igagawa mo. Last show. Paso. Parang ano ah.
Sumusulpot.
Ano ako? Number 19. Number 09. Number 09, Marcelo. Pass number 0, pass number 52. Sublime. Opening number 52, pass number 0 to number 09. Sublime. Pyramid Servant foul committed by number 9. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Tuwing narinig yung tunog eh.
Dalawang libre ang pagubos lang para kay jersey number 09, first row. Paso. Last row. Sublime, kuha na number 9, Mendoza, pass to number 19, Fuentes, back to number 9. Good for 2. Bondo, 15 to shoot.
Traveling.
Foul committed by number 29. Sabret, penalty. Penalty. Second personal foul on number 29. Penalty situation. First row. Paso. Gatis. Fifteen to shoot, number 12. Foul committed by number 52. First personal foul, second team foul. Number 30, Gatos. 10 to shoot. Number 9, Mendoza, bumakaw sa malayo, wala, naka na number 19. Pass to number 0. Number 0, Bondok, 15, second shot clock. 10 to shoot. Paso.
Bagal ng net ko. Yun lang.
Gatos. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Eugene, parang ang guardia civil dyan ah. Nakabantay ka sa bola ah. Habang umiipak. ng RGD. Now on number 12. Pass to number 30. Cutters to number 19. Automatic blocking foul by jersey number 17. Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Pa-shoutout po si Rolando Banag, ate.
Number 9, pass to number 30. Gatos, back to number 9 on the side. Paso.
Sabi ni Andre Banag.
Number 0. Noted. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Iyon, ang bumangga, gipak. Sige. Ayan. Traveling. Sabi up. Labas out. Pasok in.
Hahaba eh.
Number 30, Gatus. To number 9, Mendoza. 10 to shoot. Back to number 30, Gatus. Nasa sa labas. Unas ng bola. Number 0. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Nice foul.
Foul committed by number 0. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 30, Gatus. Traveling violation. Number 52, pass to number 09, team number 2 on the side.
Traveling.
That's an offensive foul.
Traveling.
Ay,
Time out, time out.
time out.
$51.42 lamang ang Rickster.
Alam mo na lang. Hanggang last quarter.
Hayab ka mate, yun nga, sabi 51.42.
What happened? Offensive foul by jersey number 9. 19.
Ayun, nakalista 19.
Ilan na? Second personal foul. Sublime. Go to number 09. Wala. Nawa pa rin ni number 19. Paso.
Ayun.
Yun. Aray ko. Kuya Jing, tumalong ka dyan.
Nagtambo.
Tuling ka mo niya. Number 09, Marcelo, pumakaw sa chest. Sublime ko na number 30, Gatos. Number 30, pass to number 19, Fuentes to number 13, Metals Rap. Foul committed by number 2. Second person, Sarap. Sige, palitan na yung papalitan. Go. Shout out daw sa kanya. Clarence, Bamba. Pag na-shoot yung last. Sublime. That was foul rep. Foul committed by number 14, sub rep. Last row. Foul again. Sige, matatapos tayo nito mga alauna. Foul committed by number 15.
Almost na ba? 11:30 yung ano.
Oh, bago naman.
Puyat Sports.
Magandang gabi sa'yo. Idol RM, La Caliente.
May accent kasi.
Official score 53-44. Pasensya na. 3 puntos. May jersey number 14. 2 minutes and 20. Who's foul up? Foul committed by number 15. Second personal foul, penalty.
Na may ketchup at saka hot sauce.
Pasa. Ten to shoot. 5 to shoot. Number 30, pass to number 19, Fuentes. Number 19, pass to number 13, bumukang sa malayo. Wala. Now on the number 15, pass to number 29, 15 to shoot. Pass to number 7. 1 minute and 30. 10 to shoot. Number 7, Flores. Now on the number 9, pass to number 13. Paso.
Napakalalayo ko sa ibabaw eh.
Sublime. Down to number 19, Fuentes. Number 19, Paso. Isang minuto.
Idol, tulungan mo sa ibabaw.
Lobat na ako. Hindi ko matapos fourth quarter ah. Sorry guys. Lobat na.
Gatos, 40 seconds to play. Pass to number 19, Fuentes, mukha sa Tres, Sublime. Down to number 7, Flores, pass to number 14, na walang kalabar. Number 19, Fuentes on the running, 25 seconds to play. Number 12, pasok, 20 seconds, wala ng shot clock. 15 seconds to play. 10 segundo. 3 puntos with jersey number 7. 4 seconds, buzzer na lang. Mababalibag pa yan. And of the third quarter. Official score, 59-51. Lamang pa rin ang kapanan ng Rickster.
Teka, makalipat nga ng ng cellphone. Wait lang Wait lang.
Nasunod ako number 09, Marcelo. Sa kanya pa rin ang bola. Out of bounds. Shot clock, 7 seconds to shoot.
Lumipat po tayo ng cellphone. Kasi lobat na ako.
5 to shoot. Sublime. Ako pa rin ang number 09, Marcelo. Chinumber. Pala yun, good for 2. With number 09. Alam mo ko sa kanya. Gatos. Number 29. Same ball. Active shooting Palang-pala. Number 30. Gatos. Pass number 29. Short. Wala pa rin. Ako na number 17. Pass number 09. Pass number 0. Banda. Ganda naman nun. Good for 2. Mag-isa. Kawawi eh. O, diba? Ngayon, nakipag-apira ka pa kayo. Kanina may sinasabi ka. 10 to shoot. Baka plastic mo. 5 to shoot. Oy, balubal. Pensive foul by jersey number 0. Sabrak? Si Ashley daw. Ashley. Mabas. Number 30, Gatos. Pass to number 19, Fuentes. Bumall sa Tres. Sublime. Top Picon. Daw number 19. Reserve po. Pag may dead ball. Number 0, Bondo. Sabrak. Number 30, Gatos out. And number 29, Serene. Alabas lang eh. Asok ulit. Number 0, Bondok, to number 19, Gomez. 10 to shoot. Foul committed by number 12. Second personal foul. Penal. Personal. First team foul. First row. Paso. Last row. Paso pa rin. Number 29. Pass to number 29. Nakakuha ng itim. Number 7. Lars on the running pass to Bondok. Paso. Time out. Bossing. Tigdalawang timeout, magkabilang kupunan. Back to the ball game. Number 29, pass to number 4. Aray ko. Number 12. Basket call and foul committed by number 09. Second personal foul. Second team foul. One bonus shot para kay jersey number 12. Sublime. Down to number 19. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 09. Paso. Number 12, Sublime. Number 19, nice to down to number 7, Flores. Number 7, it follows the rep. Foul committed by number 12. Try rep. Third personal foul, number 12. Second team foul.
Wala na nanonood. Kuwait Sports.
Bondo. To Marcelo. 15 to shoot. Good for 2 by number 19. Number 4, Mundo. Pass to number 3, Ramirez. 15 to shoot to number 19, Fuentes. Spin move. Sublime going to number 12, Passo. Number 0, pass to number 09. 10 second shot clock. Foul committed by number 19. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Sabra. Passo. Last row. Sublime. Number 19, Fuentes to number 13. Pass to number 4 on the side, no good. Now number 0, Bundle. Number 0 is in dribbling. 15 to shoot to number 79, Marcelo. 10 to shoot. Now number 17, Passo. Number 13, Sublime, but it comes to wrap. Foul committed by number 0. Third personal foul, third team foul. Passo kung kanyang unang pagbubuslo. Last row. Sublime, go number 19, pass to number 79, Marcelo. Number 79, Sublime. That's an offensive foul. The jersey number 79. Stop it. Time out. Rickster. Isang time out sa kupunan ng Rickster. Dalawa pass sa kupunan ng Bossing. 5 minuto para sa ating last and final quarter. Next game. Sa Biyernes na. Number 30, Sublime. Go to number 09, Marcelo. Pass number 17 to number 0, Bondo. Ayan na number 3. Pass number 19, Fuentes. Uy, haba naman nun. Foul committed by number 17. Warning for foul down jersey number 17. May isa ka pa. Gamitin mo na. Penalty situation. First row. Passo. Magandang gabi po sa magkahawig na nakaupo sa bleacher. Kuya naman. Ang bilis na Carman. Pao kami na number 19. Warning na. Warning. Jersey number 19. Warning for fouled out. Warning for penalty.
Silang!
Number 09, Marcela. 10 to shoot. Good for TV number 7.
Oh, Puyat Sports to, Sir Paul.
Pinapabati ni Idol Gok yung dalawang magkahawig sa bleacher. Number 09, Marcelo.
Uwi na ako, dyan na kayo.
Good for Joey, number 09. Ano daw gusto mong ulam, MJ?
80-59.
Wait lang. Flores, 10 to shoot. Good for 2. Pa-shoutout kay Rolando Simbahon Jr. ang susunod sa yapak ni Tanggol. Now number 30. Pass to number 12. Pasok. Deadlock. Number 19. Pasok. Foul committed by number 9. Warning for foul out. Shower out sa'yo. BJ Mapamahal. Pasok. Tatlong minuto.
Konti na lang.
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Good for 2 with number 09.
Shoutout Jimwell Cruz. Tulugan na.
Number 0, Bundle. 2 minutes and 40 para sa ating final quarter.
Antik pong makancel to eh. Kabangon.
Shout out kay Kuya J3 Oops. 5 to shoot. Good morning.
Good
morning sa mga
morning.
viewers dyan. Nagpalit na ata ng cellphone eh.
Lobat eh.
Okay,
Ayaw
end
na
of the
ayaw
game.
na.
Best player
Ayaw.
of the game.
Tapos na. Good night. Good night gaming.